Hey everyone, today I'm super excited because I've just received my brand new iPhone 17 Pro. If you're activating your iPhone for the first time or looking for tips on setting up iOS 26 without missing anything, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up and activate your new iPhone 17 correctly and give you some data transfer tips. I'll also cover some key features introduced, so let's dive in. If your phone is off, hold down the power button until you see the Apple logo. Then you'll be greeted by the brand new iOS 26 startup screen. Scroll up to open it. On this screen, you can choose your language and region. You can also check out the new safety and handling section here to find important safety and handling information for your device. After selected your region, then you can choose the appearance. The larger text option may help people who need it, and it looks nice too. If your old iPhone is nearby, you'll get a Set Up New iPhone option that pops up automatically. This makes transferring your data super easy. If you're starting fresh, just move on. Next, you'll reach the message setup. This will make your number available for iMessage. If you haven't activated this before, especially if you are on Android, now's the time to insert your SIM card. If you're using eSIM, just click Continue and log in to your eSIM account. After that, connect to Wi-Fi. This step is important for activating your iPhone, and it may take a few minutes. After that, you may see a message saying a software update is available. This update fixes the camera glitch in the iPhone 17 series, so it's highly recommended. You can choose to update right away or do it later in settings. Then you'll see the data and privacy screen, nothing much here. You can also choose to set it up for a child or for yourself. This will help iPhone set up parental controls and safety features. Next, you'll be asked to set up Face ID and a passcode. The iPhone passcode can be set up with different options, and you can choose the one you prefer. For now, we'll skip this step. Then comes the data transfer page. If you've used an iPhone before, you can transfer via iCloud, Nearby Transfer, or even from another phone. If you choose to transfer from another iPhone, it will take you back to the Quick Start page, and you'll need to go through the setup process again. So just keep that in mind. If you backed up with iTunes or Finder, you can restore with your computer. For Android users, there's the Move to iOS app. Just scan the QR code and download the app on your Android phone. All the transfer methods are simple, with clear instructions. If you want to transfer old data, do it now, after activation. Transferring requires a factory reset. If you want to avoid resetting later, you can use iCarephone to manage and transfer data while keeping new content on your iPhone 17. Now, sign in with your Apple ID by entering your ID and password, or use the Nearby Transfer option. If you want to create a new Apple ID, I recommend doing it after setup, since it can take a long time here. Tap Agree if you accept the terms. You'll also be asked whether you want automatic updates. I don't like waking up to a completely different system, so I choose no, but it's up to you. Then you'll go through location services, screen time, analytics, options, and appearance settings like light or dark mode. Personally, I prefer dark mode. Now you can choose if you want to adjust zoom, exposure, and more with the camera control button. I got used to this on my iPhone 16, so I'm turning it on here, but you can always change it later. You can customize the action button here. If you set camera, you can choose the media type you want to access. Okay, here I will speed up a little. Pay attention to the emergency SOS instructions, so you know how to make an emergency call if needed. And that's it. Your iPhone 17 is now fully activated and ready to use. Just enjoy your new phone and the new liquid glass interface. Apple made a lot of changes in the iOS 26 system. I won't spoil all the fun, go check them out yourself. That's how you set up, activate, and transfer data to your brand new iPhone 17. If you run into any issues during the process, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new phone.